Ethereum. Simply put, while Bitcoin is defined as digital money, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs the smart contracts exactly the way they are programmed, without any downtime, fraud, and third party interference, and also has its own cryptocurrency called Ether. Ethereum aims to enable innovations in three key areas: currency assurance through Ether, which serves as an innate currency for the Ethereum blockchain; decentralized autonomous organization; smart contracts. Features of Ethereum. The first feature of Ethereum is that it is secure because it is almost impossible to tamper with the transactions in the block or to add any fraudulent blocks in the network. The second feature of Ethereum is its community following. Ethereum has attracted a lot of attention from people all over the world. The third feature of Ethereum is its corporate-friendly structure. The platform is being leveraged by a number of corporates to test and build various applications. The fourth feature that we will take a look at is the possibility of creating new assets on Ethereum blockchain that can be used as currency, a representation of an asset, a virtual share, a proof of membership, or anything at all. The next feature is the ability of Ethereum to process the transactions fast. While Bitcoin requires a block time of 10 minutes, in Ethereum, it's only a few seconds. The last feature that we will discuss is the fact that Ethereum is uncensored. Ethereum's open source network allows complete transparency to view every transaction. All right, that's all about the features of Ethereum. Let me tell you about an important concept in Ethereum called gas. Gas in Ethereum. Gas is the fundamental block of Ethereum ecosystem that is paid for every operation performed on the Ethereum blockchain. It is the crypto fuel for Ethereum. It can be considered a transaction fee, which has to be paid when one party sends ethers to another party. Even when a person deploys a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, a transaction fee needs to be paid for that as well. This payment has to be made regardless of whether the transaction succeeds or fails. Gas price is expressed in Ether, and the miner decides whether to refuse the transaction process or not based on the expected gas price. One can see their transaction fee in ETH or USD when searching for the transaction on etherscan.io. When somebody refers to gas, they are either talking about gas price or gas limit. The total cost of a transaction is the product of gas limit and gas price. The gas limit is defined as a limit since it's the maximum amount of units of gas one is willing to spend on a single transaction. This avoids situations where there is an error somewhere in the contract and you end up spending a very high amount of gas. However, the units of gas required for a transaction are defined by the amount of code executed on the blockchain. Lowering the gas limit below the amount required will not help much. If enough gas to cover the computational resources of the network is not supplied with the transaction will fail due to an out-of-gas error. So, gas is a commodity which is essentially a cost of using the system. Like Bitcoins, Ethereum also has its currency, which is called Ether.